To update your NVIDIA graphic card driver to version 610.74, you can go to NVIDIA website. The link is provided in the video description. Now on this NVIDIA website, you can select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system over here, and then click on Find. Now on this page, you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And over here you will see the driver version, that is 61074. Now click on, this is the GeForce Game Ready driver 61074. Now click on View and then click on Download and let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, you can run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow, click on OK, and then click on Agree and Continue, and then select Custom option. Click on Next. Put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation. Make sure that you put a check over here and then click on Next. And once you click on Next, it will install the latest graphic card driver. Once the installation is complete, restart your PC, and after the system restart, we can check. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.